Hey guys, it's Reese LaFleur and I'm back with another video. Today we're going to be dyeing Faye's hair. We're going to be using 20 developer, and then we're going to use our high color, and this is the color light Auburn. This is going to be a quick video. It's super easy to do this, not hard at all. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure you continue to go ahead and watch. And yeah.
Why is it pink, bro?
It's just pink because it's pink. That's just how it activates. It's not how the color's gonna look on your head.
Wait a minute, is this bleach?
No, it's dye.
Why is it pink for?
Babe, bleach is never pink. What are you talking about?
That's what I'm saying. Why is it?
Y'all, I really don't know why he said I could dye his hair if he was gonna be acting like this, but it gets even better, you guys. Like, he's so frantic.
Don't burn me?
No, it's not gonna burn you.
Are you putting a perm on my head, bro?
Yeah, I'm perming your hair.
Oh my fuck! Stop.
I'm joking. Oh God. So anyway, you guys, if you're new here, my name is Reese LaFleur, and I usually do baddie of all trade videos. We're doing hair, makeup, fashion, all of that good stuff. So if that's something that you're interested in, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you hit the bell for notifications so anytime I upload a video, you are notified.
I'm putting a perm or some nail in my shit. On some prank shit.
Why would you think I would ever do some shit like that to you?
Oh, baby, you want to do pranks?
Babe, like, you guys, he's so annoying. So anyway, so what I'm doing is I mix the developer and the dye together, and this is how I use the dye, especially if you're doing it on dark hair. And you just want to go ahead and with a applicator brush, a dye applicator brush, and just put that all over his hair or her hair or whoever's hair that you may be dyeing. Super easy. You asked me to do this if you wouldn't trust me.
He said I don't trust you. I see the color, that shit pink.
It's only pink because that's just the dye. So in efforts to make sure that it's nice and saturated and the color goes into his hair, especially since he has really like defined waves. I think his waves are 450 waves. Because they're so defined, you want to make sure that you push it in, and you're going to want to comb it afterwards. So I'm applying it slowly in every area, but you want to do it in a sense where like it's going to get into all the ridges of his hair, or and that's if you're doing it on a guy's hair who has waves. If you're not, then I don't think you have to worry about it. But just for the sake of the fact that I'm on someone who has waves, I just want to let you guys know that you want to make sure you're putting it in all the ridges. So I did end up using this whole bowl of dye for his hair, even though his hair is short.
Nair you putting on my head, man.
Nair does not smell like this. I mean, the dramatics that I had to deal with, that's why I'm letting you hear that audio, because like there's so much more, but he was just like so like, don't be killing me, don't do this to me. And I'm like, why would I do that to you? He thinks I'm gonna prank him, but you'll see at the end. He's taking a sip of his drink, and I'm just going around his head and just making sure. Now he does taper the end, which is why I'm ignoring it. I'm not gonna color it because he's gonna end up cutting it down anyway. So it's just gonna be a waste of time just to put it on the bottom. So that's why you don't see me avoiding that area. When I do go to it, I'm trying to make sure that I'm meeting where his taper would be exactly. And I'm actually leaving the crown of his head for last because that's his thickest part of his hair, and I want to make sure that I get in that section really good. But yeah, you guys, like, I mean, this is a super simple tutorial. I really don't have to talk too much. Hey, how y'all doing? What's up? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. We're gonna plug it right here. Period, poo. Follow me because I'm doing 30 days of outfits right now on Instagram anyway, and you don't want to miss out. Just saying. Alright, so making him hold down his ear because he, job. So now I'm starting to go on the top, and I'm just kind of like making sure everything is nice and even.
I don't know if this is nail, bro. This smelling strong.
You really think
it's really smelling strong?
You really think I would do something like that to you? Like, for real? In real life, you think I would do some shit like that to you?
Prank me, yes. You
think I would prank you like with something that can't be fixed right away? What's wrong with you? Like, the fact that you think I would do something like that to you is crazy to me. Nah, at this point, I'm really shocked and stunned. Because I'm like, are you serious? Why would I do that? Like, why would I violate you like that? Like, I wouldn't want nobody to put no nair in my hair, so why would I put nair in yours? So, after I applied all the color, as you can see, I'm starting to brush it through, comb it through. I started doing it in the back for you guys to see, and then whatever's coming up on the comb, I'm just going to put it back in his hair with the comb, and I'm brushing with his waves. So that's important to do, brush with the way of his waves, and this way it goes all the way in the hair, it soaks all the way in, and anything ridges that you didn't get, sorry that my big head is in the way. Yeah, that's my big head. Alright, so after I brushed it, or combed it, excuse me, all the way through, I'm going to go ahead and put a black plastic bag. He's annoyed that he has a plastic bag on his head, but I think it's funny. I think it's hilarious, you guys. Okay, so this is the 15-minute mark. I had it on here for 15 minutes. I just wanted to check it to make sure it wasn't done, and I decided to leave it on for another 15 minutes. So I'm just checking it right now, and I'm just going to put it right back on him, and then come back in a few. And then now this is after 30 minutes. I let it sit. As you can see, it got a little darker than when it was just a second ago. So I was like, okay, I think I'm ready to wash it out. So we washed it out, and then we waited a day. So he came back the next day because he wanted to make sure it was nice and laid down, and he got like shape of whatever. So this is the final look, you guys. It looks super good in like natural sunlight. It looks even better than this, you guys. It came out so good. It has that like light auburn look. I actually love how it came out, excuse me. He loves the way it came out. He's in love with it. So he's gonna give y'all a thumbs up in 1 second to show that he likes it. And that's about it, you guys. And this is us showing each other love. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah.